we are. We're going to find the equation of the line that goes through these 2 points. The first thing we need to do is find the slope using y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Plugging in, I get negative 9 minus negative 8 over negative 6 minus negative 3. Simplifying, I get negative 1, because 2 negatives makes a positive. Same down here, over negative 3. Negative over negative is positive 1/3. Since we have a slope and a point, let's plug it into point-slope form. Remember, point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x1. Plugging in, we'll use this first point for our x1 and y1. I get y minus negative 8 equals 1/3 times the quantity of x minus negative 3. Simplifying, then distributing, I'm going to have 1/3 x plus 1 minus the 8 minus the 8. I get y equals 1/3 x minus 7. This was question 27. Next question, 25. We're going to do the same thing with question 25. We're given the 2 points at negative 2, negative 4, and negative 4, negative 3. Again, we have to find the slope first. I'm going to use negative 3 minus negative 4 over negative 4 minus negative 2. Notice that we get 2 negatives equals a positive for both of them. Simplifying, I'm going to get 1 over negative 2. So my slope is negative 1/2. We can use either one of the points to plug into point-slope form. I'm going to pick the first one, y minus negative 4 equals negative 1/2 times the quantity of x minus negative 2. Again, negative negative is positive. Simplifying, minus 1, negative 1/2 times 2 is negative 1, minus 4, and I get y equals negative 1/2 x minus 5. Question 25. Next question, please. 29. 29. This one we have a bunch of fractions. So I'm going to have negative 3/5 and 4/10 and negative 1/5 and 7/10. There's no negative here. Oh, it's positive 3/5. Thank you. So let's plug it into slope form. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Simplifying, 7/10 minus 4/10 gives me 3/10. On the bottom, negative 1/5 minus 3/5 gives me negative 4/5. If I simplify that, I'm going to have negative 3/8. I used my calculator with the ABC key. Simplifying now, we want to plug this and one of the 2 points into point-slope form. I get y minus y1, I'm using this point again, equals the slope times the quantity of x minus x1. Simplifying, I get negative 3/8 x plus, I get 9/40. 3/8, negative times negative is positive, 3 times 3 is 9, 8 times 5 is 40. Let's add 4/10 to both sides, add 4/10, and I get y equals negative 3/8 x plus times by 4 to get the common denominator. I get 16 plus 9 is 25/40. If you put that into your calculator to simplify it, I get 5/8.